Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will learn that the important inbuilt methods in this hub class, and it is a very base class of this SignalR package. Okay, and we will learn the all the possible methods that will be used throughout the course, or even the application that you can build on your own as well. Okay, so I will make you to learn and make you to understand all those possible methods. Okay, because at the beginning level, most of the .NET developers always skip to learn those methods. Okay, and that's why they are not able to work on the real-time application. Okay, guys, in the part first, I show you that what project we will build throughout this course, or even that we have discussed the roadmap of this course as well. And we will finish this entire course within 4 or 5 videos. So without getting any details, so let's get started with this main content. So this is the stock up class, and there I used the two methods, which is groups.add to GroupAsync or groups.removeFromGroupAsync. First, you should always make sure that why this function is used. Okay, it is very necessary to use the functions at the correct time. Okay, and most of the developers always fails to know this. Okay, so that's why I thought that the this lecture should be dedicated to this kind of functions that are available in the SignalR. Okay, so there I have created a class. Okay, or I have mentioned all those functions that we will use, that are very helpful. Okay, so let's see what functions are in available in the SignalR. Okay, so first is Clients.All.send. Okay, so this function is always used when you want to notify to all the users, and this is the message, hello everyone. But if you are writing the all, it means that you are also included here. Okay, but if you are writing this clients.others.send, so it means that this message is sent to everyone except you. If you are calling this method, it means that the all these methods are sent to everyone, but except you. That's it. Okay. But if you see clients.caller.send message, so it means that or make sure, and guys, this is the first parameter is always the method name that we have written in the JavaScript. Okay, so don't confuse, it is the method name, and this is the text that we wanted to send to the users. Okay, so send method is always used to notify to the users. Okay. So it is the message is, this is for you, and what is mentioning here, send only to the client that called the method. Okay, now it is now the next is clients dot all accept, and there we are passing an array of connection IDs. Okay, then we are sending the message. Okay, so it means that send to all except specific connection. Okay, it means that we will send the message, but but accepting this connection ID as well. Okay, now the next function is send to a specific connection. But if you want to send to the particular user, or to the particular connection, okay, so we will use client, and in the client we always use the connection ID. Okay, and after this we will use the send method. Okay, but if you want to send to the multiple specific connections, so what we will do here, simply clients. Okay, and in the clients we will use the array of the connection IDs, or it will send the message to the to these connections. Okay, to these users. And if you want to send that send to all members of the groups, so simply what we will do here, clients.group, and we should mention the group name. Okay, after this we will use the send method, and we know that send method is always used to send and notify to the users in the group as well. Okay, so clients dot group, then we have to mention the group name. Okay, if we want to send to the multiple groups, so what we will do here, clients.groups, and after this we will use the array of group name. Okay, or then we will use the send method. But if you want to send, if you want to use that send to the others in a group excluding sender, so it means that clients dot others in group, then we will mention the group name, and we will send the message. The next method is clients dot user, then we will mention the user id, or and we will send the message. So if it is using when sent to the specific user by the user id. Okay, but if you want to send the multiple users, so it means, so we will use the clients dot users, and we will use the array of the user ids, then we will send the message. Okay, but if you want to access the specific connection, then simply what we will do here, we will we will get the client proxy throughout the using the connection id, and after this we will send the message as well. Okay, so there is a very basic and very important methods that we have learned so far. Now we will see the methods related to the groups. Okay, there you can see that we have used add to group or remove from group async. Okay, so we will understand that what methods are using. Okay, so that while I will create this application again in front of you, so that you won't get confused, and I won't explain you again that why this function is used. Okay, so that's why I create this specific video on it. Now the method is groups.add to group async, and there we are passing the connection id and the group name as well. Or this method is used to add a connection to the group. It means that if we have a group, and if we want to add a user to this group. Okay, like it is the WhatsApp kind of thing. Okay, like you have created a group in the WhatsApp, and if you want to add a user in the group, so it is, then we allowed to you we allow to that user using the add to group async. Okay, and if you want to join room, so simply what I will do here, simply I will add this connection to the group. Okay, and after this what I will do, clients.group, and in the group I will choose the room name as well, and then I will send request to using the connection id. Okay, so there is a group, and in the group there is a specific rooms as well. Okay, so that's why first we need to add in the group, then after this after that we will uh, we will we will add that connection id, that connection to the specific room. Okay, so this is the method. And but if you want to remove to any person and any connection id from the group, so then you will have to use groups.remove from group async. Okay, or context.connection id, and after this in the second parameter we will pass the group name as well. Or but if you want to that add a user to the group, so it means that groups.add to group async, then we will pass the connection id or the group name, and which is already discussed here. Okay, so I hope you got an idea about that there is similar functions, but the slightly differences as well. Okay, or if you want to remove users from the group, which is already mentioned here. Okay, so groups.remove from groups async, and we will pass this connection id, and after that we will pass the group name as well. Okay, like from which group you want to remove this user from the connection. Okay, otherwise you will be removed from the all the user if you want to pass the group name. Okay, or now what I will do here, this is the we will see that how to work with the multiple room chat. Okay, that if you have multiple rooms, then how you can handle this kind of situations. Okay, so if you want to join the room, then simply what I will do here, I will I will add the connection id to the group. After this what I will do, I will use the uh, I will mention the room name, and after that what I will do, I will simply use the method, and I will and I will send the message as well. Okay, so this thing is already discussed here. Okay, like this. Okay, so if you want to join the room, okay, I I I am explaining I'm explaining this thing again. Okay, if you want to send to the room, okay, like if you want to send the text message to the room, okay, so first we will use the clients, then group, and then after the group we will mention the room name as well, or we will use a send method to send the notification to the user. Okay, now what I will do, send private. Okay, like if you want to send the a specific client, so which means that client dot client, and in the client we will target the connection id, and in the connection id we will send the notification to the specific user. We are working with the group. Okay, if you want to send to the all message, so simply what we will do, clients.all.thing. Okay, and we will this is the function name, and what message would do you want to send. Okay, and if you want to send the message to others, so clients.others send us in, and which and this is already uh, discussed earlier as well. Okay, now if you want to send to the multiple rooms, okay, like we have multiple rooms in the same group, so what we will do here, I will mention the so there is the area of the rooms. Okay, or after this I am sending the room names as well. Okay, and after this what I will do here, simply I will send all those messages throughout this method. Okay, now these two methods are very important while you connect it to the SignalR or the connection. Okay, so simply what we will if you want to tell to the user that you have successfully established a connection, so we will call the method which is clients.caller.send async, or it is always write to the hub class as well. Okay, so you can rewrite your connection, and after this we will use the best dot on connection machine. Okay, or if you disconnected from the group, if you disconnect from the connection, so simply you will send the message that to the specific user that you have out of the connection, or simply you will have to call the on disconnected async. Okay, so this is the example we will use with the like if you work with the chaining of the send calls, so how we can use this. Okay, task.when all these functions, all this method is completed, then after this it will go out. Okay, so what I'm trying to here, I will like I am trying to send a message to all clients, then I want to send to the those users except me, and this message is sent to caller or the group name is vip, and I want to send the message to the vip group. Okay, so in this way we use we use the all those methods which are available in the SignalR. I hope you got to know about the imported methods which are available in SignalR, and we always must to know. So thank you for watching this video till here, and guys, I just want to request you that please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends or colleagues or as well, and hit the like button. So till then, take care, guys. Bye bye. Have a good